Hey everyone, Ross here, Roscoe Mining Solutions. So behind me is a 793F Caterpillar truck, which we've just equipped with our ThermaStart autonomous start option. So this is the third mine here in Quebec that we've installed these systems on to not only save greenhouse gases and fuel burn, but also to reduce engine wear due to idle and low ambient, no start issues, while increasing the asset life of the trucks. So because we stopped the hour meters, it means that you can do the same amount of operations that you used to do, however with less engine hours. Therefore you're going to change less engines, you're going to do less PMs as well. Plus these keep the trucks reliable in all weather, engines warm, no more cold start issues, no more cylinder washing in cold ambience as well. So we manage all that autonomously as well as separately from the Caterpillar system.